Did you know robotic arms are helping surgeons save lives? And drones are delivering medical supplies to remote areas right now? Imagine being a doctor, tasked with performing a delicate surgery where precision is not just important, it's critical. That's where surgical robots come into play. Here's how. In the operating room, a team of doctors and nurses surround a patient. Dr. Emily, our skilled surgeon, is about to perform a complex heart surgery. But she's not alone. A robotic arm, part of the Da Vinci surgical system, stands ready. This robot is not just any tool, it's a lifesaver. Dr. Emily uses the robot to make precise incisions that are often smaller than a millimeter. This robot is like a super steady hand for doctors, helping them make tiny, precise movements. Here's why this matters. Firstly, it reduces the risk of human error. No handshakes, no slips, just perfect precision. Secondly, it allows for minimally invasive surgeries. These are surgeries where doctors make tiny incisions, reducing recovery time and complications for the patient. Let's zoom in on the robot's arms. They can rotate in ways human wrists can't, giving Dr. Emily the ability to reach places in the body that would otherwise be difficult to access. Here's an example. In a recent case, Dr. Emily performed a surgery on a patient named Tom. With the robot's help, she was able to remove a tumor that was wrapped around vital arteries. Traditional surgery would have been too risky, but with the robot, Tom's surgery was a success, and he was back on his feet in record time. But it's not just about precision. These robots also provide incredible 3D visualization, allowing surgeons to see the surgical site in high detail. This means fewer surprises during surgery and better outcomes for patients. Now, here's the emotional arc. Imagine the tension when Dr. Emily first uses the robot. There's a moment of doubt, a slight hesitation. But as the surgery progresses, confidence grows, and with each precise movement, the tension transforms into relief and hope. Tom's family, waiting outside, feels this shift as well, from anxiety to anticipation of good news. The takeaway? Robots in healthcare aren't just cool, they're saving lives. From precision surgery to reducing recovery times, these tools are transforming medicine. And that's not all. Drones are also part of this revolution, delivering medical supplies to places where traditional transport can't reach. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to learn more about robots making a difference today.